Reading Pioneers is proud to present The Cow That Went OINK, written and illustrated by Bernard Most. There once was a cow that went oink, oink. The cows that went moo laughed at the cow that went oink. Moo ha, 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 oink. And the other animals on the farm laughed at her too. Bow wow ha, meow ha, hee ha ha, nee ha, nanny ha, ba ha, squeak ha, cluck ha, gobble ha, cockadoodle ha, tweet ha, gribbit ha, cheep ha, quack ha, oink. The cow that went oink was very sad. Oink. One day, she heard a friendly moo. Moo. Oink. It was a pig that went moo. What a surprise! Oink. Moo. The pigs that went oink laughed at the pig that went moo. Oink ha, 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 moo, oink. And the other animals laughed at her too. Tweet ha, quack ha, cluck ha, meow ha, gobble ha, nanny ha, cockadoodle ha, bow wow ha, cheep ha, gribbit ha, ba ha, hee ha ha, nee ha, moo, oink, squeak ha. The pig that went moo was very sad. Moo. The cow that went oink had an idea. She would teach the pig to oink. Oink, moo. So the cow that went oink made a loud oink, while the pig that went moo listened carefully. Oink! Moo. Then the pig that went moo tried to go oink. Oi moo! Oink. The horse, the donkey, and the sheep thought this was very funny. Nee ha! Hee haw ha! Ba ha! But the pig that went moo didn't listen to them. She listened to the cow. Oink, 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 oink. Oi, mook. And the pig that went moo tried again. Oink, oi, moo. And again, oink, oi noo, and again, o I n ku, oinku, until she finally went oink, o I n ku, oink, 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 oink. The pig could oink. Now she would teach the cow to moo. Moo! Oink. The cow that went oink tried to go moo. Moink. Moo? The rooster, the turkey, and the duck laughed and laughed. Cock-a-doodle ha! Gobble ha! Quack ha! But the cow didn't listen to them. She listened to the pig. Moo moo, moo moo moo, moo moo moo, moo moo, moo moo moo. Moink. And the cow that went oink tried again. Moinku, moo. And again, moonk, moo. And again, mook, ooh, ooh. Until the cow that went oink finally went moo. Moo, ooh, ooh, mo, moo, moo, moo. The cow and the pig were very happy. Each of them could moo and oink. Moo, oink, oink, moo. And they were the only animals on the farm that could do both. So they had the last laugh. Moo ha, oink ha, oink ha, moo ha. Thank you everyone for reading along with us to the story, The Cow That Went Oink. What did you think? Comment below your thoughts about the story. I really like this story because it shows how sometimes people don't understand the effort and the hardships that others have to go through to learn a second language. And when someone speaks that second language, but maybe not perfectly, others tend to tease them or mock them because of their pronunciation or dialect. So with cow and pig, they were able to learn both languages. And at the end, it was something that the other animals just weren't able to do. So what do you think? Is it better to have two languages and to be able to communicate two different ways? I also want you to comment below your thoughts about that question. If you're new to this channel, I'd also like for you to don't forget to click the subscribe button to keep up to date with all videos by Reading Pioneers, as well as click the like button if you enjoyed the video. I have other videos with animals that I think you would enjoy. Well, that's all the time we have for now. So until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.